We'll guide you through how to get an Amazon affiliate link for a specific product. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Amazon, and so you want to go and get an affiliate link for a product. We're going to guide you through this step by step. You can then go and promote it, and you can go and earn commission from the sales. So let's go and dive straight into this. So to do this, you do need to go and join the Amazon Associates program if you aren't already. So go and search for Amazon Associates and you can come to the site. Here we are. Now you can go and sign up here and you can go and do it for different regions in the top right. Choose for the region you want to do this with. And what we need to do is go and enable an important setting. So press the three lines in the top right, go down and you can press account and you want to press account settings. Now you want to come over to the left here and you can go and find the option for Associate SiteStripe options and make sure this is enabled because we get a bar at the top of the page. Go and refresh Amazon and you should go and see SiteStripe right at the top. And so now what we can do is go and get the link for this. So what you need to do is go and press get link when you're on the product page as I am. Then you'll get this pop-up. You can go and choose a store ID and you can then go and press short link. It's way easier. And this is the link here. So you can then go and right click on it and go and copy it. That's it. You then got the link. You can go and paste it where you want to go and promote it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides.